eh. Ay, di bawal pala mag-explain.
After nito, hindi na tayo.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Oral sunscreen.
Ay,
It depends. The skin type.
For our next segment, bag raid. Okay, mukhang meron tayong kukulayan. Okay, guys. Parang everyone pointed to you.
Not suitable for young audience.
Suitable for young audience.
Pass.
Pass talaga, doktor. Di ba kita silang hindi pwede? Papayag ba tayo, guys? O sige, ganito na lang. Who do you nominate na i-bag raid? Okay, Dr. Chi. What's in your bag?
In my bag,
Ilalabas lahat
I have my phone.
Okay, phone.
And then the PDS passport.
Okay.
For the shopping.
Gusto mo lalo ng
Alcohol.
raffle.
I have my notebook for the lectures.
Wow!
And then power bank. Keys. Yun
Okay,
lang.
wala na ba dyan? Silipin nyo nga baka may tinatago dun sa
Meron akong strap ng bag.
Okay. Who do you volunteer?
Si Nina.
The program as a studious person, sure. Notepad, my eyeglass since I'm a blind person, wallet, power bank, earphones, compact cushion with sunscreen, alcohol, yung scapular ko na hindi bagay sa outfit ko today. So sa bag na lang. Chocolate for hypoglycemic episodes.
Phone.
Alright. Ayaw mo talaga, Dr. Pam?
Hindi ko na lang ba ilalabas? Wait lang.
Ay, ang laki naman ng bag mo.
Hindi ko na lang ilalabas.
Tissue.
Alcohol. Wallet. Phone. Power bank. And then yung kit ko.
Ayun, so perfume, lipstick, lip balm, everything.
Perfume, yeah.
Meron ka bang? Ay, malaki din. Gusto mo mapakita yung laman ng mga bag?
Wala naman siyang laman.
Wala.
Face mask,
Ayan.
AirPods, wallet, yun lang doc, cardigan,
Ayan. Kasi lang bigyan sa
tissue.
Alright. Si Doc Janine, mukhang walang bag. Ay, pinakamaliit na bag.
Passport, wallet, pen, and car keys.
Talo ka ni Chi, wala ka notebook.
Wala.
Thank you guys for being so game. And for the second segment, bag raid. Okay. Gaile, what's in your bag?
Small bag lang.
Okay,
And
anong laman yan?
Meron akong 2 phones.
Bakit dalawang cellphone mo, Doc Bea?
Isang work phone, isang personal phone.
Okay.
Nanalo
Ano yan?
na ako ng GC.
Nanalo siya ng
Nakapag-ikot-ikot na ako sa booth. ID.
ID,
So,
okay.
may
PRC ID.
Mirror.
Okay, bilang dermatologist, meron siyang mirror.
Meron akong
Ayan, ako
set.
nagkakalalabasan
So
ng
cute
mga
siya.
secret.
Compact powder.
Okay.
Of course, may lipstick.
Ayan.
And then last,
dami
keys.
Ayan. Okay.
Okay, ikaw.
Alright. Doc
Wallet
Bea.
lang, sorry. Hindi naman ako ma-art.
Okay. Oy, guys, ano to ha?
Ako mag-interview.
Wala.
kasi
Oh my
to.
God. Bag
Doc,
raid.
bag
Ano naman
raid.
to?
Bag raid tayo.
Binaliktad? Pwede
Oo,
ba, guys?
pwede.
Ano lang to? Compact powder and SPF. Tapos may credit card and may konting coins. Ayan. And then hotel keys. Yun lang. Siyempre, alam ko babalik niya sa akin. Kaya nag-ready. Hindi, joking. Ayan. Thank you guys for being such a good sport. We'll see you around. Bye! I'm so sorry if hindi kita na-warn. It's a bag raid.
Okay lang. Pero guys, warning, magulo talaga yung bag ko. Kunwari lang maayos.
Sorry, you have to show everyone
I'm sure.
talaga.
Okay, tissue.
Okay,
Madumi
tissue na gamit na.
Bola, si Kelly linagay ang bola. Galing sa
Ayun,
Christmas tree namin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nandito. Cellphone,
Okay.
honorarium, o diba? Checkbook.
Ayan, marami yung bibilin si Dr. Aileen.
Sorry, yung wallet ko galing sa klinik. Pero maraming pera to. Kahit pangit yung wallet ko, makahawakan mo maraming pera.
Oh guys,
Joke lang.
ang moral lesson dyan, it's not sa itsura ng
Yes.
wallet, sa laman siya.
Kumbaga nung Saturday nag-clinic ako, Doc, ito po
Dinala
yung pera
namin.
natin. So
Okay.
akin na, sabi ko,
Okay.
makapal, di ba?
Makapal na makapal. Ba't mabigat, guys? Mabigat.
Lip balm,
Okay.
nagugutom ako lagi, may food.
Ayan.
Ano pa ba?
Ayan, ano yan?
Notebook and passport sa PDS at essential oil for relax. Hotel
Key card.
O guys, talaga.
Very,
nakita ko lang.
talagang inubos na lahat.
Oo.
Wala siyang tinatago,
Walang
guys.
tinago.
Ayan. So, oo nga, wala.
Wala talaga.
Thank you very much, Dr. Eileen. Dr. Kat, alam ko na meron ka dyan dalang bag. We will do a bag raid.
Oh my God.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Tingnan natin.
Ang meron, powder,
Oo, lahat talaga ng mga derma may powder.
lipstick,
Okay.
card holder,
Okay.
ballpen, pangpirma sa cheque.
Ay,
Kasi-
maraming bibilin si Dr.
Yes,
Kat.
kasi sa convention,
Oo.
maraming pwedeng bilhin ng mga
Bakit talaga
derma.
may dalahan check?
Kasi para, ano na,
Ready
na-check
na,
na
ready na.
agad.
Bayad agad.
Comb,
Ay, may suklay. Okay.
perfume,
Kailangan lagi
Ang dami
mabango.
naman ng
Oo.
eye drops.
Ba't may eye drops ka?
Kasi namumulamat ako lagi. Tissue, and mints.
Ayan. So, ang discovery natin today, marami palang pwedeng ilagay sa Chanel medium flat, guys. So,
Oo,
ayan na.
surprisingly.
Surprising. Mukha lang siya maliit, pero hindi naman pala.
Bag raid!
Ayan. Okay.
Okay.
Show everything.
I have my phone, wallet,
Parang kinakabahan si Jojo sa bakit. Anong tinatago mo dyan, Jojo? Ayan.
alcohol, another
Oh.
wallet for the
Okay.
cards.
Nilabas mo lahat yan.
Mask.
Okay.
My keys.
Okay.
Then what else?
Ang dami mga
Cards.
resibo. Nanay na nanay talaga to si Jojo.
Receipt and mga cards. I think may time zone card ba dyan?
Okay, okay.
That's
Ayan.
it.
Why do you keep time zone cards in your bag?
Because with my kids, when they go to malls,
Okay, derma mama talaga siya.
They're my mama, PH.
Okay, who do you volunteer next?
Cat.
Well, in my bag, I have my phone. I have a lot of different freebies.
Ayan.
Another bag inside.
Okay.
I wanted to travel light para easy to go shopping. Easy to
Guys,
make it
when we say shopping, we don't mean like shopping as in namimili kami ng mga gamit ha. In dermatology conferences kasi there are a lot of booths and when we go around, we call it shopping. So yun yung ibig sabihin ni Dr. Kat. Parang kinabahan si Dr. Elaine. Hindi
Kasi
naman.
sobrang dami pong laman. So, phone,
Okay.
checkbook. This is my notebook, power bank, wallet, keys,
Keys.
lotion, sunscreen for the face,
Very dermatologist.
sunscreen for the body, ball pen, business cards, another sunscreen for the body.
Oh, ang dami niyang sunscreen.
So, ang laman ay checkbook rin.
O, checkbook din.
Wallet, dalawa. AirPods. Ayun lang.
So,
Turuan pa.
thank you guys for being so game. So, second part is bag raid.
First,
Oh,
hotel
keys,
key cards.
Hotel key cards.
Cellphone.
Oh, yes.
PDS ID na hindi updated. Ito yung lumang versions. Mga notes.
Ay.
Wet wipes. This is for
Okay.
the hands. Biogestic. My personal favorite to
Ano
avoid any mishaps.
Ano yan?
Lover.
Emotion. Kailangan i-raid talaga to kasi
sige.
ano yan eh. Gusto ko yung bag mo.
Okay.
Okay.
So, my cellphone, of
Okay.
course. My brush,
Guys, yung
alcohol.
how consistent
Yeah.
ang mga bag ng mga derms.
And then, battery pack.
Okay,
for
very
the
important.
event, wallet, my powder, lipstick.
Lahat talaga may lipstick
Okay,
din
lip
kailangan
liner, face mask,
mask.
my checkbook na
Ay,
manipis
see?
lang.
Yan
just
talaga yung
in
mga
case.
bibilhin. Obvious na may bibilhin
Okay,
si Doc. kaya siya-
tissue, and then my hanky. Yan lang.
Ayan. Thanks, Doc Liz, for being
Yeah,
so game.
thank you.
Okay, okay. Sino i-volunteer niyo, Doc, na i-bag raid?
Doktora Al.
Okay, Doc, what's in your bag?
Well, cellphone,
Okay.
my reading glass, lipsticks,
Oh, see, lahat talaga ng derms may lipstick.
at saka
You
syempre
not go
credit
outside the
cards,
house without
and
lipstick.
tissue, alcohol,
Okay.
wipes. Tapos I have a small wallet.
Oh, see?
Oh, small wallet lang.
And a scarf, Doc, tama?
Kaya to cover the,
Ayan.
the bag.
Ayan. So, yun yung
siya.
bag raid natin.
Oh my God!
Pakita niyo yung laki ng mata niyo. Okay, bag raid.
Kakatawa. Well, of course.
Salamin.
Yes. My wallet, my cell phone,
Okay, very important.
a power bank. Usually, I love tea.
Okay, tea. Ang
and
hiling niya si
coffee.
Doc sa tea.
Yeah,
Okay.
tea. Yung mga flowers.
Ay, nilalagay mo lang, Doc, sa ano.
Yeah,
Okay, Doc,
yeah,
pakita
oo.
natin, Doc.
Oh, diba? Nakakatawa
Floral
nilagay.
tea. Nagabaon talaga si Doc
Diba?
ng sarili
Ang bag
niya.
ko ganito, pero I have a ziplock.
May baon
First,
talaga
what
ng
we call
siya si
this
Doc.
one? Yeah.
AirPods.
AirPods. Of course, I can't do without.
Ano yan, Doc?
It's alcohol. Look at that.
Ah.
Oh.
O, dinemo pa sa akin ni Doc.
Yes. Lipstick.
Ang laki naman, Doc.
Punong-puno.
Ayan, lipstick,
Oo,
yes.
kayo ano ho to, parang bayong. Kahit maliit lang. Baka biglang may mahilo mamaya.
may perfume, kaya always lagi mabango.
Actually, may coffee din ako dito.
May coffee din siya. O may tsaan na siya, may coffee pa siya. Parang Dok, kailangan mo magising na gising ka.
Yeah. Gusto mo pang mas magising.
Ano yan, Dok?
Dark chocolate.
Mga derma takot magutom. Kasi bawal mag-hypoglycemia. So pag feeling mo, kain ka na.
Pero it's diet.
Ay,
Because
diet.
it's 60%. Tissue.
Tissue, of course.
Ito na naman.
Ano
Puli
yan,
na naman
Dok?
yung age.
Ano yan, Dok?
Ang ating koleksyon ng mga gamot.
Maintenance.
I have a small botika in my bag.
Kaya pala lumaki yung mata ni Doc nung nalaman niya mayroong
Siyempre,
bag.
pen. Ano pa ba?
Ayan.
That's it.
Thank you so much. Ikaw ang may dalang bag. Sige, pakita natin ang laman ng bag mo. Okay. What's in your bag?
Cards.
Cards.
Mints.
Mints.
Lip tint.
Lip tint.
Powder.
Powder.
Alcohol.
Alcohol. At meron pa ako nakikita dyan, madam. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Wipes.
Wipes.
200.
Ang mga pera. Wala siyang wallet, guys.
Wala akong wallet.
Nalagay lang lahat. Nakakala. Pwede mo natin pakita what's in your bag. Kasi medyo malaki-laki yung bag ni Doc eh.
Inside the vintage Chanel is my phone. And then
Ano yan, Doc?
hyaluronic acid serum
Wow,
as
may ba ako?
moisturizer.
May ba ayaw ni Doc madry ang
But this
skin
is a
niya?
samples.
Meron siyang bag sa loob ng bag niya.
Toothbrush.
Mga toiletry, Doc.
Yeah, toiletries. Yun lang.
Yun lang yun.
And my credit card is inside the bag.
Ako magbubuhat para
10
sa'yo.
kilo po ang bag ni Doc.
May kayamanan.
Siyempre, because it's cold, I have my pashmina.
Wow.
Of course, because we're in the convention, I have my ID, or else I will not be able to go inside. And I have the money inside here.
10,000. Doc, mukhang more than 10,000 ang kapal eh.
Minimum. So I have my cell phone. That's why that's very heavy.
So this is my room.
Inside here, I have my lipsticks.
Ay, okay.
There are 2 colors.
Okay.
And I also have my
Hawakan natin.
maintenance treatment. Oh my
Oo
God.
nga.
And have
Ano
my,
ba yan? Dermatologist?
Parang may charger ka pa,
Tested?
Doktor.
for my, you know.
Salamin. Okay.
Yeah. And I have so many for
Ano
my,
yan, Doc?
my cards.
Oh
my God.
Kaya nga mabigat
may
eh.
balak mag-shopping.
And if, you know what this is?
Ano yan, Doc?
Power bank.
Yes.
Okay.
And kung wala ng power bank, I still have my charger.
Okay.
And syempre, I have a baby.
Baby.
This. Yeah. Of course, this one, so that you can put the different, and I have this one. Yeah, so that when I do not want to wet my hair. And I have my rosary inside.
Careful.
Wala na.
I have my
Ano yan, Doc?
AirPods. Kaya ang bigat. So, ibalik
Ayan.
na natin.
Balik na natin.
Dahan, ha?
Ayan.
Baka mawala. Sayang.
Ako, Doc.
Dok, yung 10,000.
10,000.
Actually, yung wallet pa lang.
Kaya siya nakasara ng pashmina so that they don't see what's inside.
Ayan, secret.
But if you, it's 10 kilos.
And that's a wrap on our Fast Talk Challenge na dinagdagan pa namin ng bag raid. I hope you enjoy this fun break from our usual in-depth discussions. And it's always enlightening to see the personal preferences of my fellow dermatologists. And if you enjoy this video and want to stay updated on all things skincare, personal stories, and more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And we are on our way to reaching 100,000 subscribers, guys. So please comment below with any thoughts or topics you'd love me to do next. And kung sino man yung mga guests na gusto niyo i-invite ko, I promise this is just the beginning and together, we'll explore so much more. Until next time, see you again soon in the next video.